Hey everybody, 157, 3 seconds, March 27th. This is now the final mini for the Green Lantern 76. Over here, the 14 filled spots. I don't know what I just clicked. There are the 14 filled spots. Whoever comes in first gets the first 4 open in the main. Whoever comes in second gets the next 2. Whoever comes in third gets the final spot, and I will immediately run the main. Number is 11. Best of luck. I don't know what I think the clock, this paused. For some reason, I must have hit something. I apologize. It paused and it restarted. Here we are at round 3. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here comes the final one. 11, spot 4, John Garner comes in first. Will Lehman comes in second. Marco comes in third. Time is 1:58 and 20.